Welcome, in front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So, what you have to do in such situation is set up a new face model for your device. To do that, go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy. Then go to Device Unlock, select Fingerprint and Face Unlock, go to Face, agree. Now if you have any previous face models enrolled on your device, then first remove previous face data before continuing, and then before adding a new face, let's use the dry towel to wipe the surface of the frontal camera so that we can clearly see our face in it, and also make sure to adjust the lights in your room for the same reason. And when you're ready, click Add Now and proceed by adding a new face model. Keep your face centered in the camera, then click Done. And before we proceed, let's also check if the device is up to date. To do that, go back to Settings, select System and Update, go to Software Updates, and check if you have any updates to install. And if you do have any, take your time and download and install them. And after that, let's restart the phone to make sure that all the settings applied. To do that, hold down the volume up key and the power button together, and then swipe to restart and wait until your device reboots. And once the phone is restarted, let's check how the face unlock feature works now. So let's lock the phone. And as you can see, everything went smoothly for me. And I hope it did for you too. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and the comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.